going on, guys? We got a special unboxing today. Got it from Summit Racing. Used the code Cletus. Got a free ticket to the 2.4 hours of Le Mullets. So let's check out what we got. Got my helper today. So we're gonna do an unboxing video of something that I've wanted for a while. Kind of hard to open. So this is going to be very crucial to building and finishing this car, my 84 Firebird with a 2001 Trans Am LS1. Got some stickers, got the order, catalog, but what is this? This is a good one, guys. I've waited 3 months to get this. For those of you who don't know, I sold my painless wiring harness and computer in August to get this Holley Terminator X. This is actually the Holley Terminator X Max. So it has the self-learning EFI 3.5-inch touchscreen, and the most important, the transmission control. So this will basically operate a 4L60E or a 4L80E. Got our wiring harness. More cables. O2. Our touchscreen. Looks like an O2 bung. I don't know what those little things are. Made in the USA. No idea what these are for. Can't wait to find out though. Parts guide. Manual. Holley sticker, which I heard that some people got this and they didn't have any stickers, so I'm actually surprised. And then we got 2 boxes. So this is gonna be the ECU, and I wonder what's in here. We're gonna find out though. This is the transmission harness for the 4L60 and 80. Hopefully I can run the 80. If I can find a 2-wheel drive one. I'm loving this loom. This loom is very nice. It's on all the wiring harness. When I had the painless wiring, it didn't have any loom and they wanted you to buy it, and it was about $100 for a roll of enough loom to cover all the wires. So I mean, you get a really good deal here. You get 1 self-tuning, 2 plug and play, 3 you get a touchscreen, and you get all that loom. So I paid $1,300 for all this. That's not the best deal. I wish I got the Terminator X just for $1,000, but I want to get overdrive. I want to get the 4L80E, so I had to spend the extra money. I could have just got a separate transmission controller, but it just doesn't make sense. I'd rather just spend the money now, have it all ready, just plug and play, then cheap out over a couple $100 down the road. This probably will get installed in the next week or two. Playing around with the Terminator X, it even has a memory card inserted. So you don't even need to get an SD card, it's already in. All you gotta do is upload your tune, data log. So I'm looking forward to a how-to video on that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll see more of this dog, see more cars.
Yeah.